Navies worldwide are evolving to meet the demands of modern conflict, and Mars is leading the charge. Developed by British defence company SubSea craft, Mars, Maritime Autonomous Reach and Surveillance, is an unmanned surface vessel, USV, designed to operate autonomously, stealthily, and flexibly across a wide range of missions. Built in under 100 days, Mars represents a major technological leap in naval innovation. This rapid development cycle was made possible through digital twin design, modular architecture, and open system interfaces. Unlike traditional warships that take years to construct, Mars is agile, scalable, and easy to reconfigure for changing mission requirements. It can also integrate with third-party technologies, including the American ALTIUS drone system and broader AUKUS defense infrastructure. Mars is built for stealth, with a low-profile hull, radar-absorbing materials, and reduced acoustic signature, allowing it to operate undetected in contested or coastal environments. Its open architecture control system enables it to navigate autonomously and respond to dynamic threats without direct human input. Even in the event of signal jamming or communication failure, Mars continues its mission using onboard navigation algorithms and behavioral scripts. Its ability to switch roles, from ISR, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, to payload delivery to supporting manned platforms, makes it a powerful asset in modern multi-domain warfare. Mars can collaborate with drones like ALTIUS to deliver synchronized air-to-sea strikes and seamlessly operate as part of a distributed fleet of autonomous and manned platforms. It can act alone or augment the capabilities of ships, submarines, and aircraft, adapting to battlefield needs in real time. Following successful sea trials, Mars is now combat-ready. Its compatibility with the AUKUS architecture ensures it's not only interoperable with allied systems but also scalable across future fleets. As SubSea craft chair Penny Mordaunt notes, Mars is more than a vessel, it's a disruptive force in the modern maritime battlespace. In an era where conflict is increasingly automated, decentralized, and driven by electronic warfare, Mars offers the adaptability, speed, and survivability that traditional ships can no longer guarantee. This is the future of naval warfare, and it's already on the water.